Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely thick and gooey chocolate pudding with Greek yogurt. It's a healthy dessert for when you feel like craving something nice and chocolatey. It has simple ingredients in it, and I've written the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this chocolate pudding a try and what you think of it. Just look at that beautiful creamy thick pudding. It is so easy to make, as you will see. Let me show you how. I'm going to start by combining together in a small saucepan a quarter of a cup of cocoa powder or cacao powder, a quarter of a cup of sugar, stevia, your sweetness of choice, a quarter of a cup of corn flour, cornstarch, and a generous pinch of salt. And just combine those three ingredients together. Great. And then pour over a cup of milk. You can use your milk of choice. Now that everything's nicely combined, I'm going to swap actually to a whisk, and I'm going to pop the pudding onto the stove top over medium to high heat and get it heated through. So I've got the chocolate pudding on the stove top, and it's really a matter of heating it and continuously whisking until everything is dissolved and it's thickened up, as you will see next. It's barely been a couple of minutes, it started steaming, but just keep whisking it and keep a close eye and you'll see all of a sudden it just thickens up. You can see it's bubbling away and you can feel all of a sudden it gets thickened just like that. Oh, it's beautiful. So I'll remove it from the heat now. You can see it's become this beautiful thickened pudding. And now we'll just add two more ingredients. Firstly, a teaspoon of vanilla. And the final ingredient, the Greek yogurt of our Greek yogurt chocolate pudding. So a cup of Greek yogurt goes in now at this point. And then just whisk it until you've got a smooth, creamy chocolate pudding. Perfect. I would suggest having a sneaky taste at this point, because you can see if it's sweet enough to your liking. You can add in more sugar, stevia. I added in a quarter of a cup, as you saw. We like our sweets quite dark chocolatey. If you want it sweeter, add a third of a cup or more. So yeah, have a little taste of it now. Look at that. It's already a perfect pudding. You can have it nice and warmed now, but I prefer to let it cool down a bit and then we'll move it into ramekins. So I've got a couple of ramekins here that I'm going to pour the Greek yogurt chocolate pudding into. Oh, look at the beautiful thickness of that. There you go. Now just allow them to cool completely. We'll pop them into the fridge to set, and I'll show you once I've got my lovely thickened chocolate pudding with Greek yogurt. And the Greek yogurt chocolate pudding has been in the fridge for a few hours and it's set up beautifully. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, thick and creamy chocolate. It just makes such a lovely dessert that is just so easy to put together with simple ingredients. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post for how to make this lovely chocolate pudding that's just so good, and it's healthy too. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely pudding a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.